Hey guys, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. It is 21 degrees right now with a wind chill factor making it feel like it's in the single digits. So we will definitely be using a heat gun today on this repair. Keep that paint nice and warm while we move the metal back out. We're here on site working on a nice red Camaro. It's got a door ding on the passenger side door where they always seem to get them, right on that body line.
So I'm going to show you two more Camaros that we've worked on here that had similar damage to the body lines. There's no doubt that body lines, style lines, they definitely add to the overall attractiveness of a vehicle, but there's a trade-off with that because unfortunately those are usually the first areas to get damaged if someone were to open up a door. Usually the body line gets hit first. Now, generally speaking, a dent on a body line is going to be way more difficult to repair than a dent in the flat portion of the panel. And as in the case of this blue Camaro, the dent was severe. So this repair took a very long time. We actually recorded it and are going to upload a future video for you to see this one later. But right now we're going to get back to the red Camaro. It has just a really minor dent. And we sped the camera up to 2 times the normal speed. So this is going to be a pretty quick repair. Don't blink because you just might miss it. So we've got our heat gun set up. Of course, that's important with it being down in the 20s. We want to keep that metal and paint nice and warm during the entire repair. And you can see our tool panning back and forth across the dent, gradually bringing the metal back up to its original shape.
All right, guys, we wrapped this thing up. It looks great. Customer was really happy. Was surprised that we actually came out today with it being so cold and with the icy conditions, but we're a mobile service, and as long as the road conditions are safe, we're going to be there. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check us out. If you've got a dent on your vehicle that you'd like to get in touch with us about and like to schedule a repair with us, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. You shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or if you look in the description below, you can find a link to our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.